Hello gamers! Some time ago you asked us to test different soundbars, so today we have to thank Ultimea for the Odine IV soundbar. Today let's unpack it, plug it in, and test it against the 55-inch LG TV. First impressions and Techscrew review will be at the end of the video. What is the Ultimea Odine IV? It's a compact soundbar without a subwoofer, with plenty of connection points and 6 active speakers providing up to 100 watts peak power. This soundbar is priced just over $100, so let's see what we get for that price. The package comes with the 18-volt AC adapter, screws to mount the soundbar on the wall if you want to do that, a long enough toslink optical cable, an aux audio cable about the same length. There's also a remote control to remotely change settings and functions. Of course, there's also a manual with all the important information on what each button does and how to connect the soundbar to the system of your choice. This is the Odine IV kit. The soundbar has a glossy surface all around and a metal grille in front to protect the speakers from mechanical damage. The soundbar has a minimalistic design and won't look out of place in your interior. It certainly won't overshadow your impressive TV either. The back of the soundbar is equipped with 2 screw sockets to make it easier to attach it to the wall. Just screw 2 screws into the wall, 1.5 centimeters apart, and you're ready to go. Of course, if you want to put the soundbar above your TV. Otherwise, it also comes with rubber feet in case you want to put it on a hard surface. There are 4 buttons on top of the soundbar: on-off and mode button, Bluetooth on-off, next song and volume up, and the last button is previous song and volume down. On the back of the soundbar are all the ports: aux input for analog audio, USB for flash with music, ARC input is for ARC HDMI, optical input is for toslink digital audio, and DC in is for AC adapter or just power for soundbar. In this picture you can see all the possible connection types. HDMI ARC is best, then optical, and if your machine doesn't have these two, then you can use the aux cable or Bluetooth connection. For the purpose of the test, we will put the soundbar at the bottom, as most people put their soundbars like this. Whether it's a PC monitor, TV or gaming console, you need to find where all the outputs are. TVs usually have the most. As you can see, this LG TV has all the options that soundbar needs: optical toslink, HDMI ARC, analog aux, and of course the wireless connection. Once you have connected the cable you want to the TV, connect it to the soundbar, as well as the soundbar power cable and AC adapter. If you have done everything correctly, you'll be able to turn on the soundbar with the power button, and select your connection type with the same button. Also on the TV, choose the way the sound will be sent to the soundbar. Congratulations! You have connected the soundbar to your device and it should be working now. Now let's do a sound demo test against this LG TV and check the soundbar's built-in equalizer presets. After this sound demo, we'll share a summary of the Techscrew review, but for now let's enjoy some music.
Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, sitting right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing. gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nose. Screaming there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me?
We hope you enjoyed the test. Feel free to post your observations in the comments. If you use the headphones for video playback, then you must have heard that the mid-range soundbar sounds nicer. This is because the soundbar is facing the listener with 6 speakers. As a reminder, these TVs cost around $500 and struggle against 5 times cheaper soundbar. We also tried using this soundbar in Courtyard, where it nicely set a chill mood with the background music. You can also use a custom built battery and take this soundbar to the beach or a garden party and use it as a real portable boombox. Most of the time we use this soundbar for background music by connecting via Bluetooth to our phone or TV. It's easy to do and easy to put the song you want. In summary, things that could be better. First of all, no batteries for the remote control. I had to steal them from grandma's FM radio because I didn't want to go to the store to get them. Second, there could have been a short-length ARC HDMI cable, but there wasn't. And finally, dust and greasy fingers are very visible on the glossy surface, but in this case it's more a matter of taste, either glossy or matte. The coolest things we liked about this Odine IV soundbar are definitely the price. You can currently buy it for $110. Wall mount option and screws already included. The fact that the LED lights disappear after a while and don't interfere with the late night movie enjoyment. And 18V DC power, because then we can use this soundbar as a portable boombox for outdoor activities. These were our observations about this Odine IV soundbar. Please post in the comments your observations and experiences with the soundbar systems overall. Thank you for that, and for now, see ya.